Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to recover your COC account without Supercell ID. To do this, first tap on gear icon in the corner and now tap on help and support. And now tap on account and then tap on plus icon under recover your account. Now tap on I have lost access to my account. Scroll down. Supercell will request you to put your account details. Tap on open support ticket. Now you have to submit your account details here. If you don't remember your account details, don't worry. Just open a new browser and search Class of States. And search for your name. Tap on your game name. You will find all your game details here. Copy your game details and go to the support page and fill up this form. Now submit your request. After submit your request, Clash of Clans will help you to recover your account. That's it.